I've got the official ND filters for the DJI Air 3S. Now this is a really nice case. You can see it says DJI on there. Nice heavy duty plastic to protect the filters inside. And all you have to do is you just hold it like so and open it up. And you can see there are some gorgeous filters in here. Really, really nice. ND8, ND32 and ND128. So really, really nice presentation on these. And in terms of mounting them, it's really not hard at all. Here is the Air 3S, as you can see here. Beautiful drone. There's the LiDAR sensor on the front. And so here's the gorgeous 1-inch sensor and the 70mm medium telephoto system. So there's already a cover on there. You can see that there's a little bit of a notch there. So all you have to do is hold the camera system, hold the front and then twist. And then that comes off like so. You then grab one of the ND filters, put it on an angle, and then you just click it into place. And there we go. We've got an ND8 mounted, very, very simple to do, and nice heavy duty ND filter here. And you can see it's got DJI up there, E70, E24, really clean and very, very simple to attach, as you can see. And then you just have this guy here, which is the original one that we got. So I can then just put that back into the case for storage. And it's that simple to swap across.